Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to import starter templates in your Bricks website using the BricksFly. As you know, BricksFly offers 30 plus premium website templates. In this video, I'll show you how to import that. So, as we have installed the Pro versions, click on the BricksFly, then starter templates. You can see all of the templates are listed here. So if you want to preview any template, just click on the preview button and you can see the preview of the template, the sections, the animations and everything. And also it includes all of the required pages like about, integration, single, theme, pricing and everything. If you want to add this template to your wish list, you can add this and you can install it later. Now let me import this template as I have visited. You can import any of this. For example, if you want to preview this, you can see this is a different template and you can import any of those templates. You can see the cool animations, cool effect, text effect, image effect. Nice, right? Okay, let me import this template because I really love this one. Just click on import and it may take like a couple of seconds to import all of the settings, content, pages, images and assets. Yeah, it's done. You can see it takes a very little amount of time. If you want to check your site, you can just click on your website. You can see the entire website is imported with the same animation, same page structure, same sections, each and everything is same. Now if you go back to WordPress and click on the page, I can see that all of the pages are imported here. So in this way you can import the starter template. But if you want to import any single page, how we can do that, right? So from page, you can see that the BricksFly logo and import page. Just click on it. Here is our sections. This is a page templates. You can import any page from here. There are lots of pages here and we are adding new pages every week. So for example, if you want to import this page, I can click on import and it may take just a couple of seconds to import its content, images and everything, and you can see the page is imported. And if I click on go to page, I can see the page here. You can see everything is imported here. Oh my god, it's animations, each and everything is imported. Okay, this is how actually you can import the full website templates and the page templates. Also in the next video, I will show you how you can insert any specific sections into your Bricks website using the BricksFly. So, thank you so much for watching.